All right, so I'm here with my son. We're going to take a look at what's inside this Bigpower playset that we picked up, and we haven't opened it yet. Well, we opened this right here, but let's take a look inside. So take it away. Go ahead and open it up, and
Right.
tell me what you think about it. What's inside? What did you get with it?
So first, a little manual on how to use it, and it all comes wrapped. Looks like there's 100 little foam dart bullets,
All right.
little red tip.
So you get probably 50 there, 50 there.
Yep.
What else you get?
Here is the extension to the gun.
So that goes on. Okay, so that's part of it. All right.
So this is part of the gun. It goes on the front.
Okay.
And gives a little longer barrel. Comes with goggles to protect your face, your eyes. Here's
I'm just gonna wear these the whole video.
This is the scope that you can mount on top.
Oh, that's cool.
So you just kind of
That goes somewhere on here. All right.
slide it,
Okay.
and then yeah. So it looks pretty
All right.
good.
Keep going.
Pretty big.
All right.
All right, and then we got the support in the back. You want to make the gun even longer. This clicks in the back, and here's the actual gun.
All right.
So
Pretty light. How light is it? Is it heavy or is it light?
It's light.
All right.
And so this is the on for the electricity, and this is your shoot.
Okay. Keep going faster.
All right. And you got two different mag styles. You got a little curved one here and a straight one.
Okay.
And then you got, here's your vest.
I like it. Everything is.
Package. Like
Everything-
it all has plastic and packaging.
Can't see it.
This is the vest.
Okay. Here, go ahead and try and put that on while I talk about the rest. So I don't. Oh, these are the targets.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like. All right, so you got some little pop-up targets here that you can shoot, and looks like you just slide that on there. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so you get.
The vest
Looks like you get.
just
Hang on.
Velcro.
Looks like you get 3 of those. There we go. 1, 2. There's the third one. All right, there's that. And of course you get a brochure. Yeah, whoa, you actually get batteries in these. 6 AAA or AA batteries. All right. So he's gonna put that on, and he is about 5'2", and so he'll put it on here, and we'll see how that fits. I'll turn the camera so you can see him. So he's about 5'2". It looks like it fits you like it's supposed to, right?
Yeah.
Is it tight or is it?
I mean,
Is good?
yeah.
Okay.
So it's just Velcro on the front.
All right. So it's Velcro?
Yeah.
Okay. And it looks like on there you can, like in the pictures it shows, you can take these magazines, and they'll probably go in there somewhere. There you go. That's easy to put in. And I'm imagining that these are probably for extra bullets. And what would this be for? I don't know. Maybe some of the loose bullets. So, so there you go. That's what you get inside the kit. We're gonna put together and show you that. And so it looks like a pretty solid kit. You got a lot of options here. All right, so we have all the pieces of the Bigpower kind of toy laid out here on our counter. I'm going to have my son go ahead and put it together for you. So go ahead.
So first, I'm going to start with the main toy kind of here. So this is how you put on the back. There's a little thing that you can connect it on. And there's like a little hollow part that you connect it on. And then you push these 2 things up like this. And up again.
All right, let's get it a little more. Push it in. There you go, and then push them up. So this just pushes in, and then these toggles go up right there. So that's an easy thing to do. All right, what's next?
Then, if you want to, there's an extra thing that you can put on at the front to make it look a little better.
All right.
Gotta kind of put it in sideways and then twist it, and then you'll hear a slight click, and that's when you know it is in.
Good. So you want this up, so you can put this. You can put it together upside down, just like I just did. But if you do, just rotate it. It's all good. Okay. What is next?
Then, if you want, you don't have to, but you can put in a little scope right here.
You can do it.
and it'll just help you get a little more aim. And there you go.
There you go. So that's in right there.
Then you can pull your darts in here. It's automatic if you want it to be, and then you just slot the mag right in there, and it'll be really nice and easy to put together.
All right, and the last thing you'll do, Mom and Dad, is there's one screw right here, and you just pull it out. It's the safety screw. Pull that out, open the lid, and you'll load in the 6 batteries that comes with it. These are AA batteries. You load in the 6 batteries. Of course, it tells you how to do it and the directions and all those things. And then once you do that,
right here,
you are all set to go and have some fun. So you can listen, right? Oh, take those batteries. Okay. Fix those batteries. There we go. Okay, you probably would put the case on, but if you can listen, there you go. So it's all set to go. Very easy to do.